there, it's a very warm welcome to a brand spanking new show. Exciting times ahead indeed. It is Zimdancehall Unstoppable right here on Zim DI TV News. My name is Glenda Fadzai Takachicha. It sure is. My name is Fadzai. We're definitely here to please you. Let's jump straight into the show. And our first guest on Zimdancehall Unstoppable is a young man who's been in the industry for quite a long time. He's made us dance to his amazing, great tracks. He's also got some serious stage presence, and he's one of the most underrated musicians, according to me, one of the finest artists in the Zim dancehall scene. Obviously, we're talking about Freeman. Should I say it? What's happening?
Mistress,
Cool. Inda.
I like it.
But anyway, great to have you on the show. Zvakapotanga sei donyazoziva kuti zita rekuti Freeman rakambobvepi?
I started way before when I was in school. I used to play soccer. Sometimes to goalkeeper. But not on captain, I was good at it. Yeah, they don't remember when I was gonna represent my country one of the days. Not even knowing that I was an artist. So when I was a goalkeeper, our coach, he just used to say, keep him busy. He must not be a Freeman. Keep him busy. That goalkeeper is busy. That's how it started. Freeman. He must not be a Freeman. So
then it stuck.
Like that.
Saka kuzoimba manzi zvakambotanga sei?
I think it was because whilst I was playing soccer, I was the lead of the music choir. So, I was into music too much. But I wasn't sure when just when I'm studio. I wasn't sure. But this DangerZone thing started all the way back with my friends of Korea. And they don't go to team music. My friends are Anagriba, Anamfu, only 6 of us. We used to write HKD, DangerZone, kind of a cola, and a sheets and a trousers. So when I started music, I just wanted to take it to music. But I was inspired by a life that with this clan in Gaza. And I just like, let me just form my clan as well. So that's how it started.
HKD. But before tataura zvechikoro, vanhu vakawanda, I think you've been asked this question so many times, but pane vamwe vasingazive kuti riri pachitupa ndiani chaivo. Vanonzwa Freeman, HKD, both.
Emergy Sylvester Chizanga.
Okay. Wakakurira kupi? Tell us about your family. Muri vangani mumuri?
6. 4 boys, 4 anamukoma, 2 my sister. I am the last boy.
Ndobva kupi?
Bindura, Shpadze, apedza kumusha kunyakunda, Bravi, Dzimba.
Waidzinga kuchikoro? Ninyaya, because ndoziva kuti vanhu vachikura munoita musikanzwa. Musikanzwa yawaita uri mukomana ndeivi?
Isusu kunge mugwazhi yekuti hatidorowa ndakanduso. Like ndangoti my mom paid school fees for me, so I'm not here to be beaten. So that was my police could row when I teach and stay.
So row, wait a second.
There's no row.
I don't know that row.
I don't know them. So me and my crew, I don't couldn't get to know this. But I got to sing one man started to cheat. I get back to school.
Ndova wabereki vakati chimanje muchidzoka muchiti
atinataura kuti ndamosasipindi vamukids adinanana musasi
avanambobvunza kuti wasuspended.
It was not in school. It was a boarding. So when I used to go out every morning for them.
Uchiita singaroenda kuchikoro.
Writing songs and thing, yeah, with my friends. There was a friend of mine and friend of the guy. I don't even know what he is.
You don't know where he is.
Too much.
You lost track.
It was too much. But I still am here today.
Chakazoita kuti ubve musikanzwa wawaita uri mwanana chi?
Kukura maybe. Yeah, kukura maybe. Because some of the things that they were necessary. Just for the good of the I know I'm a big now. What's your bingo?
What's your bingo? No bingo. Alright, what's a Freeman and Nathan and out of the wheels on species and young grew up who will remain probably unknowing, but
I just respect my brothers. I respect my brothers.
But I
lost my folks like a long time ago. My dad passed away when I was in grade 3. My mom passed away when I was in 8. So, but I respect my brothers. I respect them. Like,
so I don't do. You don't do. Alright, time you're going to push what you're going to put up. I made a chore on a boots.
I do not lie. When I was younger, my mom used to do everything for me. Can I even score? I didn't ball, uniform, everything. But I put in the senior mind, that's figure my doubt of him.
So by the time you're going to say,
I would have song though. I listed everything. Yani anoziva kwakatangira kurowa mandichiri mudiki ndichapfeka hembe dzamukoma yani anoziva panangambonoita show kubangeti pastage ndine bhusi ndiri it was real and yaidzimba I wouldn't believe it apa ngeri Timberland ngeri it wasn't meant though ngeri tokumo
watokweleta
ndiri pastage ya ndabara brush I was just in getting a piece of it now I did a while so then what if I just get him coming up? He didn't come never did this. Was a piece. I was a fake foot man. I know my tools. I will forget that day. I will never forget that day. So but still that's life. I'm here.
Yeah. You're going strong. Alright, Chimolu that kind of a stage by every when song you know and events now we
this song it was on my album though. But na break and just freestyle, it's one of my best tricks.
It's deep.
Yeah, it's deep.
That's our opinion. I wouldn't know on the opinion.
Everything that is happening to me, it wasn't easy. But still, that's life, though. A man has to be a man.
A man has to be a man. Now, you can also be part of the show. If you want to feature on Zimdancehall Unstoppable, get in touch with us on our various platforms. You can send us an email, editor@zimditvnews.com. You can also call us on 0712779035. Facebook page Zimditv News. Our website is www.zimditvnews.com.
If you are a Zimdancehall artist or producer, get in touch with us for an interview. Viewers, remember, this program is free to share. Welcome 2017, Zimdancehall Unstoppable.
And we want to know more about him. Have you ever forgotten lyrics to your own song? What about stage judge or kangano to and later blank?
Nah, it's rare.
It's rare.
It's rare.
How many songs have you got?
I don't even know.
Many.
And the fun part of it is I don't write songs down. Right?
You don't?
Like with a pen and paper. No, I don't write songs down. Like I'm working on my album right now. My next 2017 album. Yeah. I just go in the studio and do my thing. I will write songs after I record them.
You're serious?
Yeah, like when I register them to Zimura, they need all lyrics. So that's
so
when
you
I
have
write
to,
songs.
If they didn't want that,
I will.
And you would.
But I will never forget my songs. I sometimes ndineni kuti chorus zvakaipa dendarega but pandinofamba mukati meguta I always make sure that I reach them studio. Everything I know to jump studio.
What is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened on stage? And I remember.
Yes. Feel.
Chicha chai. But Chizanga chaitika.
There was something behind it. I can say to you. There's something behind it.
It's like how do you get past that? Walk up a stage, remember?
Yeah, on the middle.
Come
down
the stage.
But it only happened once though, but my mom decided to tell me that but it happened to me and I was so embarrassed. I couldn't believe it. Oh, God, what's happening? But it's time was when it wasn't full of us.
Right.
And some of the things, but I think that was the most embarrassing thing. It was like but still we can overcome.
Artists want to collaborate and I am always
Locally or
locally,
in Africa.
end up in
Locally,
or I get on the local. Or open an MC, he's got something there. Do you wish to get into the studio with him one of these days? Right, Chinduza, song ya Tupe or Farra and Dave. Oh yeah, can out your all-time favorite track from Tupe and Dave?
I used to like right. Then there was this gospel track.
Yeah, Kaita Budara.
Yeah, but yeah, I respect him. You want to respect him.
In the region, do you know longer open a studio now?
Within Africa.
Within Africa.
Casper.
Internationally?
Internationally, unfortunately, my artist is locked behind bars.
Okay.
I will be forever a Vepskato fan of Dara.
Okay, you can't wait.
But still,
you're not going to wait again. What does easy? Mumota Marco, which songs are playing right now?
I listen to international music, international dancing. That's all you can hear in my car.
Vibes.
Vibes, a bit sick now. Alkaline, these young artists are Alkaline, Dexter Dubs, and of course, it's just my choice. For example, everyone falls in. Strictly dancehall. In my car, it's always dancehall. And maybe my new songs, I said, I want to hear what did I let us apart. I want to put some errors here, maybe. But I still going to the Freeman.
How did the song have? I remember the song I got with its way up with
yeah, and it was on dual rhythm. And you know what? Then Bob was that dual. Blah blah blah. So in India, for the first time, locally I was inspired by Trinta.
Yeah, I remember Trinta.
Yeah, man, anyway, a big awareness celebration. So Trinta inspired me. So and the first time we Trinta, later that I'm going to be used on the Abatinta Garoa. So that song, I don't play radio, but when I recorded it, they don't go to me. I'm was it. My this very no bass. No bass. Every song I go, the other one. Then Joina City was the second trip. Not serious much. It happened unexpectedly. You know it's going. But yet it was one of those things. Yeah, there's a good guy.
When houses were Camparo Camari hectic. Alright. One of the artists and Aneka Kufai. Iwewe Anzi, unembiri kusada myself in my fans out. Ichokwadi.
Like really?
Those and dance.
This is the first time I'm hearing this. Honestly speaking, I'm very open and very social woman. I've never said no to any fan. I swear.
So you heard his hands and he go my fans out. Those are the people that make him who he is.
I don't know.
Right, when you Anzi, we never have a china. How no eater. anzonogeza nemvura here kana kuti yatiri kugeza iyi kana kuti pane zvomunhu vakushandisa kugeza chii chiri kunyatsomboitika?
There's a secret behind if I unleash it when I was with Zia, I don't go change again.
You're one of those artists that really take their image and the whole issue of branding very seriously. Does someone style you? Do you have somebody who puts stuff together for you?
No, I just do it. I just do it by myself. You know what? My brother is good. I father is good. You know, in 2007, there were some big J's, mama's big t-shirts. I feel when I was on 3-4, but that American dressing kind of figures my duty. So I smart to even in my brother. I don't get on with that. So I'm going to even though they forget me, I'm going to officially married.
Kids?
One.
His
name is Damien. Damien. If you look at my song, Damien is there.
Spoken for.
Not sing. I'll tell you.
What is your favorite man?
Beans. I love
beans.
Yeah.
Are you stressed?
Honestly speaking, I love beans. Are you stressed?
Yeah, I know beans, but
I'm a very big fan of beans. My mom used to cook for me almost once a week. So it was big. I was feeling, so yeah, I love beans.
It's still Zimdancehall Unstoppable. We're about to wrap up. If you just joined us, you missed out quite a lot. We still have Freeman, but we're about to wrap things up. And as far as Zimdancehall Unstoppable is concerned, Freeman, what can't you live without? Two things. I'm going to desert is I have to take with me.
My studio.
Your studio?
My studio, my phone.
In your phone. Why your phone?
My studio.
What do you hate about people?
Like
sometimes.
Like people who are always judging someone. Like because he's a celebrity, I don't like it. I don't even like it. Like when I can text it or even on WhatsApp. So you know respond me because you are now someone. Why would you think that? Maybe I'm busy, maybe I've got enough messages to attend to already. And someone is already judging me. I don't like that.
If you could change something about yourself, what would it be? What is it?
Okay.
Anyway, just give us a bit of a snippet before we go. We have to get something. Give us a bit of a something before we go.
Kune wakanga vanene kubvira pautanga kwemagita kunyange zvinhu zvikauma miraneni wakandida ndisati ndanezita saka vakuti manene zvino vakunditi dokta vemagita mafanzi ndo akandipa zita paindakati no kutambudzika ndakanga ndina glenda vakazi definitely.
Definitely, it's been Zimdancehall Unstoppable. To remember, you can get in touch with us if you want to feature on this show. Get in touch with us on our various platforms. It is editor@zimditvnews.com, Facebook ZimDiTV News. You can also catch us on our website www.zimditvnews.com. You can call us 0712779035 if you're a Zimdancehall artist, if you are a producer, if you're an engineer, if you are a promoter. Some of those unsung heroes, murals, so to speak. Till next week, Godspeed.
If you are a Zimdancehall artist or producer, get in touch with us for an interview. Viewers, remember, this program is free to share. Welcome 2017, Zimdancehall Unstoppable.